Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to mute Discord in OBS Studio while streaming or recording. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, to make sure that your Discord notification sounds are muted in OBS, you should enable the streamer mode option in Discord. Open up the application, and navigate to your user settings. Go to Streamer Mode option in Discord. Here, in the Streamer Mode tab, make sure that the automatically disable option is enabled. This will make sure that Streamer Mode will be enabled as soon as you launch OBS or XSPLIT on your PC. If you wish to completely mute what is being said in a Discord voice channel while streaming,